Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a Subaru BRZ faster, easy method. Start by installing a high-flow air filter and getting a basic ECU tune to optimize fueling and timing. Next, replace old spark plugs and ensure the ignition system is healthy. Finally, inspect the intake and exhaust for leaks or restrictions, and tighten or replace parts as needed to improve power delivery and throttle feel. For affordable improvements, focus on parts that help both power and driving feel. A cold air intake paired with a catback exhaust frees up breathing and adds sound. Swap to lightweight wheels and stickier tires to reduce rotational mass and improve acceleration and grip. Consider a short shifter and a stronger clutch if you plan spirited driving. These make shifts crisper and reduce lost time between gears. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, which helps when you're budgeting for mods or future builds. It's a smart, clear read that pairs nicely with saving for performance upgrades. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Tuning and suspension are key to making power usable on the road or track. Invest in an ECU tune that matches your intake, exhaust, and any bolt-on parts to safely increase output. Upgrade to adjustable coilovers to lower ride height and tune spring and damper rates for better cornering. Finish with a performance alignment and corner balance to make the BRZ predictable and fast through turns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.